How to fix Facebook upload ID on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you just open settings of your phone, and when you open it, just go to apps or applications and then search for Facebook. And when you found Facebook app, just open it like this, scroll down a little and go to storage. And on storage, go to clear data, click on it, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.